Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wealth Journey channel. As you might have seen, a couple of my recent videos have been short videos showing my stock portfolio reaching £100,000 in total value and my ISA passing £50,000 in value. In this video, I'm going to continue and do my monthly update for April to show all my deposits, buys and, well, I want to say sells, but sneak peek, there were no sells. Without further ado, let's dive into the Freetrade app I use to invest. If you want to invest and don't know where to start, check out the link in the description below, where if you use it and fund the account, both you and I will get a free share worth anywhere between £3 and £200. So, here we are in the app. The value of my ISA stands at £52,000. This is up from the £30,000 back on April the 1st, a month ago. You'll see this step up on Tuesday the 6th of April when the new tax year and therefore new ISA allowance became available. I deposited £15,000 and invested all of that in none other than Tesla. This left me with a further £5,000 that I could deposit and use. I did this in two stages. First on the 16th of April and finally on the 23rd of April in two chunks of £2,500. So yes, that does mean that I won't be making any further deposits in my ISA account for another 11 months when the new tax year and ISA allowance starts in 2022. So all £20,000, barring a penny, which we'll come on to later, has been invested. £17,500 went into Tesla and £2,500 went into Square. So, if we add my starting position of a little over £30,000 at the start of April, with the £20,000 that I've deposited in the month, you'll see growth of just over £1,700 in April. That's a good start to the tax year. But, in keeping with being honest and holding myself accountable, if we look at how my portfolio has done in 2021, so far in this calendar year, I'm down in my ISA account by about £400, give or take. To my right, your left, you should be seeing a list of all the transactions and activity that's happened in my ISA account for April. If we just click over to the Insights tab in the Freetrade app, it shows you that my portfolio, or my ISA account, has grown by 6.58% in the past month. If I then click over to the account tab, that shows that all £20,000 of the ISA allowance has been used up, and as I laughed about earlier, a whole one penny is left available for me to invest at some point. Finally, if we zoom out and look at how my ISA has progressed over the past 14 to 15 months, we see that it's had nice steady growth. Then we hit those 4, 5, 6 weeks in which the market took a dive due to the bond yields hitting highs and the rotation out of growth stocks. Finally, here's a little look at my largest 6 positions in the ISA account that make up around 95% of my portfolio. I hope this video has been interesting to see how I'm actually getting on my financial journey. If it has, drop the video a like, subscribe if you want to follow along, and put any questions and comments you have down below. But until next time, stay safe.